Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anfarah binti Ismail. Metric number 275728. I am from group C9 and my group mate is Nur Sabrina binti Zakaria, Farah Nuliana binti Muhammad Sa'ari and Nuri Izzati binti Muhammad Ali. So today we are going to present about the success and failure story in ABC implementation for the subject Management Accounting 1. Okay, let's start with the success story in ABC implementation. According to Foster, 1997 state that a growing body of research is analyzing the success of activity-based cost management and the determinants of that success. The author examined the effect of using alternative approach to measure success in that research. Their study found that top 3 decision users are to identifying opportunities for improvement, product management decision, and driving process improvement decision. Furthermore, operation managers and department managers use ABC information in their decision more frequently than do line personnel. After implementing ABC, the areas with the greatest changes made were processes, pricing strategy, component parts, and strategic focus. 3 areas, which is products or services profitability, manufacturing or production, and overhead supports, are reported to have the most amount of dollar improvement resulting from the ABC site implementation. In terms of management everything, ABC champion group ranked at the top, followed by the senior management. Line personnel are perceived to have the lowest average success rating for ABC. Why for the failure story in ABC implementation is, according to Chenhal 2004, the main difficulties in adopting ABC derive from implementation issues rather than the technical design of the system. ABC behavioral implementation enhanced cognitive conflict that is then associated with the successful ABC application. Specifically, the usefulness of ABC for product planning and cost management. The result of this study provides some support from the proposition that clarity of objective has a role in ensuring benefits are received from ABC and is significant in developing cognitive conflict.
I'm Nurin Izzati binti Muhammad Ali, 275774. Today I'm going to present about success and failure stories in ABC implementation. Firstly, I'm going through about success stories in ABC implementation. ABC has found rapid and wide acceptance. There is significant diversity of opinions regarding the efficiency of ABC. Results show that positive synergies are obtained from concurrent use of ABC with other strategic business initiatives. When ABC is used concurrently with JIT, DQM, etc., firms have a net improvement in financial performance greater than that obtained from use of those strategic business initiatives without ABC. Other enabling conditions, such as information technology sophistication, absence of excess capacity, and a competitive environment affect the efficiency of ABC. Next, failure stories in ABC implementation. Many firms that implemented ABC are experiencing problems. An important reason is that the introduction of ABC in many firms has focused on the architectural and software design of ABC, with insufficient attention being given to behavioral and organizational factors involved. In many firms, ABC is treated as a technical innovation and not the administrative innovation. 7 behavioral and organizational variables are identified as being important to the implementation of ABC. First, top management support. Second, linkage to competitive strategies, particularly quality and speed strategies. Third, linkage to performance evaluation and compensation. Fourth, sufficient internal resources. Fifth, training in designing, implementing, and using the system. Sixth, non-accounting ownership. And the last one, consensus about and clarity of the objective of the cost management system. The reason that these variables are important is that they determine what is important to employees and their preparedness to accept and work with innovation. ABC success will be increased when these behavioral and organizational variables are used in concern, as part of integrated implementation strategy.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Sabina binti Zakaria. My metric number is 75730. I'm going to present success stories in ABC implementation. According to Holmgren, Henderson and Bamber on 2005 stated that ABC is one of the several methods managers use to deliver value to the customer at a profit. Organizations use refined ABC costing systems because simple systems can assign costs inevitably. As competition increases, managers need more accurate estimates of products, costs to set prices, and to identify the most profitable products. The costs of those activities become building blocks for compiling the indirect costs of products, services, and customers with every cost driver. After implementing ABC, companies often realized they were overcosting high-volume products and undercosting low-volume products. Most companies adopt ABC often reap even greater benefits by using ABC to pinpoint opportunities to cut costs. The costs of adopting ABC are lower when the company has accounting and information system expertise to develop and sustain the system, and information to record and compile data. A recent survey has shown that 89% of the companies using ABC data say it was worth the cost. For the failure stories in ABC implementation, according to Malmi, 1997 stated that ABC implementation has argued that most implementation problems are neither attributable to technical flaws in ABC nor to the way ABC is applied, but to organizational issues, namely resistance. When ABC systems provide basically the same information as management was able to derive from informal sources, there is little incentive to have the systems. Resistance to ABC can be caused by perception of extra work, which will not bring the benefits to the level of organization. The new system may expose inefficiency in the existing method of production in the organization and creates opportunities for the group management to exert direct control over the unit operation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Farah Nuliana bin Muhammad Syari, metric number 275754. I'm going to present about the success stories in ABC implementation. According to COS, it was stated that ABC systems can be recommended for service firms wanting to analyze their costs for different services. A very important issue when using ABC system is that the information used in the analysis is correct. It is profitable to trace costs in every activity. Thus, in the initial stage, there is little or no need to use computer follow-ups as in manufacturing firms. The author also stated that it is important that the management must not use all their time dealing with cost calculations and thereby forget to make more basic analysis concerning flexibility and customers' orientation. Next, we move on to the failure stories in ABC implementation. According to Rowe, it was stated that a poorly planned introduction of ABC can be as fruitless as traditional cost management concept. Besides waste of time, effort, and money, companies who fail to implement ABC will most likely revert back to traditional cost management, impair their competitiveness against other industry members who adopt ABC successfully. The author highlighted few lessons learned from the experience of a company in a variety of industry. First, cost object should be identified appropriately, where it should always be useful to customers rather than convenient or traditional for the organization. Second, if the total cost of the engagement exceeds the perceived benefits, then the project should be either reconceived or abandoned. And lastly, companies should engage independent professional consultants to provide the necessary guidance and objectivity in the design and implementation of ABC. Lastly, we come to the point of conclusion. Success with ABC primarily depends on top management support, linkage of ABC to competitive strategy, linkage of ABC to performance evaluation and compensation, adequacy of resources, non-accounting ownership, training, and clarity of objectives. A complex learning process can be used to remove organizational resistance and defensive behavior towards adoption of ABC. Through careful intervention, the advocates of ABC can attempt the theory of ABC can indeed lead to improved performance of the organization. That's all from us. Group C9. Thank you.